Hey guys, so I've got a 2017 Jeep Grand Cherokee 6-cylinder with a check engine light on. Got the codes checked out. I think got disconnected. Let me connect it back again. Alright, so got two codes and one monitor incomplete. Check the computer module, and code is p0455 and p0456 for EVAP leak large and very small. Usually when both these codes are here, more than likely the problem is there's an actual leak in the system. So check the monitors. One incomplete, maybe they cleared the code before they brought it to me. So if anything else comes up, we'll find out later. So I already put a smoke test machine on the car. So on these cars, on the driver's side, there's a port. You can put the machine, connect the machine to put smoke in the system. It goes to the purge valve. There's a T over there. That's what it goes to. All right. You can see a smoke coming under the hood. It's that T that goes from the test port to the purge valve and then back to the tank. You can see the hose over there. You can feel the crack. That's where the leak is from. So we're gonna fix the leak and let's see how it goes. Alright, so got the hose repaired. I didn't want to buy a new hose like a $300, so I just put a rubber hose on it. It's holding pressure pretty good. EVAP is a low pressure, not that high, so regular hose and clamp will work perfectly fine. I am going to leave the pressure on and confirm there's no leak coming from the capless system. Perfect. Alright, next thing, we're going to lift it up and just double check at the bottom, make sure there's no leaks. On this car, the canister is on the driver's side rear behind the fender liner. So I'm going to put the smoke test on and make sure there's no leaks. Still no leak up top, so the hose is holding fine. Then we're gonna trace the lines from the front to the back. No leak over here. All the way back, nothing. So you can see that smoke coming out of the driver's side rear fender liner. That's normal. That's the vent for the canister. A lot of times on these cars, if you do not find an actual leak, if you see, so this is the canister, the black box on top, or there's another small white valve on it. It's like a leak detection pump. If there's no leaks and it picks up a fault codes, the problem could be the leak detection pump. They do go bad a lot. I'm trying to shine a light on it. See the white part up on top? They do go bad a lot too. Very easy to replace, just turns over. So hopefully this helps. Thank you for watching this video. Please support, like, subscribe.